guys, welcome back to another video with your main man Smooth Mark. In today's video I'm showing you guys this absolutely amazing Minecraft Park Edition. Now it's actually going to allow me to head to the Enderman dimension. If you guys actually want to go ahead and head to the Enderman dimension for yourself, the name of the add-on is the Minecraft Park Edition Enderman Dimension add-on. Wow, that was a long name, guys. But before I show you guys that absolutely amazing Minecraft Park Edition add-on, I do just want to say, if you have not already subscribed, please make sure to go ahead and smash that red subscribe button so we can hit 200,000 subscribers, guys. But if you have already subscribed, I would just like to thank you for your support, guys, and I love every single one of you guys. But everything you guys are going to need to head to this dimension is in my inventory. So what you guys are going to need first, you're going to need black wool. You're going to place 2 of them just like that, guys. Then you're going to need purple wool, and you're going to place 1 of these on each side of the black wool, guys. Then you're just going to go ahead, jump on up on top of that purple wool, and place 1, 2, 3 black wool, and then 1 purple wool on top of that. And then you just want to go ahead and look around, make sure you don't see any suspicious activity going on, guys. No, looks all clear here, guys. So let's go ahead and build this other side. You want to go 1, 2, 3 black wool, and then you just want to go ahead and put 2 black wool in the middle, and then 1 purple wool on this side, and boom, you are finished, guys. This is what the finished product should look like, guys. Wow, that looks absolutely amazing, guys. That looks really nice. Let's go ahead and light this baby up. Boom, shimmalima ding dong. Wow, that looks amazing, guys. Let's go ahead and head on into this baby now, but let's first grab our enchanted golden apple, and let's head in. Whee! Oh my god. We just jumped through. We're gonna have to go back. Wow, guys. Alright, hopefully this loads up quick. Oh my god, where are we? Oh, here we go, guys. Whoa, there's a lot of Endermen. What you gonna do, bro? You wanna kick my butt? You wanna kick my butt, bro? He wants to kick my butt. Boom, take that. Come on, bro. Ooh, right to the old noggin. Bang, we hit him again. Come at me, bro. Boom, boom. He should really close his mouth because a fly could fly in there or anything, guys. And if a fly flies into your mouth when you have it open, chances are you're probably going to choke on that fly and then die. So he should really think about that before he goes around with his mouth open. But oh my god, this guy's trying to attack me. Back off me, bro. Oh my god. He is really fast. Come on, bro. Boom. Come on, bully of the end. Bam, just took him out, guys. He was not going to bully me around, guys. There was no way I was going to let that happen. But let's go ahead and build up to their leader, guys. Looking at me, bro? Come on. Come on, get some. Get some, bro. That's what I thought. He don't want none of this, guys, because he knows. I kung pao his butt. That's what I do, guys. I'll be like, boom, boom, shapow, bang, jimmalim, ding dong, and knock him out, guys. He already knows. But let's go ahead and build right over this guy. I'm actually going to look him right in the eyeballs before I blow him up. I might even blow up his eyeballs. Let's go ahead. Let's just put some TNT on them suckers. Wow, that actually looks cool. I wish Enderman had TNT for eyeballs. This would be pretty awesome. Let me go ahead and put my pig up there. And let me put my villager up there, guys. Have you guys ever been on top of Enderman eyeballs? You have? That's kind of word, guys. That is kind of word that they have been on Enderman's eyeballs before. But let's go ahead and let's blow this baby up. I'm going to try to use my Ender Pal after I blow this up to like fly clean away from the explosion. So hopefully I don't die. Let's hope this works, guys. Boom. Whee. Oh my god, let's fly. Oh my god. Oh my god. They killed me, guys. The Enderman somehow used something like a rope or something. Maybe they had a fishing pole and grabbed my foot as that explosion was happening. I just died. But let's go ahead and take a look at this carnage that was left behind from the explosion, guys. I know it must be pretty bad because that was an absolutely massive explosion. Oh my god. There's no brain inside there. Endermen have no brain. That's word, guys. They also have no heart. Or maybe that just went in an explosion. I'm not really for sure, guys. One thing is for sure. They have no brain. But let me know what you guys thought about this absolutely amazing dimension down in the comment section below. And let me know what dimension you want to see me head to next. And as always, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.